Hello and greetings, friends, cronies, members of the guild. See, I work closely with World customSAK in Ukraine, where we developed my Master Select shield and branding iron. He made this for me in Ukraine, and I installed these in the United States, as well as the deep carry pocket clip. Well, next came the locket chamber. You can store up to $100 inside of your SAK. How about this? Matches, something to smoke, or your house key. I ground down my house key to fit in there. Band-aids, right? You're gonna need Band-aids someday, right? So when I developed this flipper scalpel with the lock, liner lock, flipper scalpel, liner lock, chamber holds disposable blades. Well, now, I knew this had a higher purpose. Somehow, this was going to become a tool. So witness this, the world's first. This flipper scalpel, which I knew had a higher purpose because the blades could be stored inside of the locket chamber. You could do more with this than just store a braid of your lover's hair, right? This is the flipper scalpel. So I knew it had a higher purpose, this chamber. Witness this, folks, the world's first X-Act Nox. See, remember, the whole world has the bullets. We just need to build the gun, right? Here we go, like a gypsy in a bottle. Now, I was a custom home builder for over 40 years and just retired to figure this out. Where was this in all my career? Huh? Right? I had a lot of picky homeowners. This is more than a craft knife. Craft knife? Oh, everyone's been to an art class, right? But wait, go to a home, deal with the homeowner. Oh, the picky runs, all of that. Yes, gypsy lady. When I'm done with you, I just pitch your blade. Or not, you always have more, right? No, homeowner lady, you always have some more for me, right? Witness this, folks. World Custom also makes the magnifier. Now we have the world's first X-Act Nox Magnum. Now we can really get picky with all of our cuts, right? Come on, picky lady, show me what you got. Go back in your bottle, gypsy. We're done with this. And I'm done with being a home builder. Now I do this. Okay, so each piece is numbered. Number 3, engraved Roman numerals, and with my logo. Okay, number 1 I built for myself in honor of my friend in Ukraine. Number 1. And number 2. Oh, let's go to number 4. Number 4 is cool. This is a builder knife, right? This is for the builder. Anyhow, world's first X-Act Nox. Please visit my website, Masters Select SAK. mastersselectsak.com. I hope you check it out. There's more of this to come, I can promise you. We've only just begun. Take care and all the best.